Hello and welcome to Festool TV. The all-new SYS-AIR from Festool is perfect for the craftsman on site. When attached to your mobile dust extractor, it provides the best solution to the problem of airborne dust at point of use. For site use, the SYS-AIR is best used as close as possible to the point of use. Let's see a few examples of this in action. Here you can see it set up with our KSC60 cordless miter saw with bag. In this case, at ground level, it's best positioned directly behind the saw, so that any escaping dust is directed at the SYS-AIR. And as you can see, it really does capture a lot of dust. Another great example of working at floor level is when sanding skirtings with our Rotex 90, our 3-in-1 sander. The Rotex is perfect for sanding skirting and edges of floors and has a high removal rate when used in Rotex mode. If you're working in a confined space, on stairs or at a height, you can use the SYS-AIR suction hose. The 200mm diameter by 6m long hose is lightweight and flexible and easy to position directly at your application. It's particularly useful when sanding plaster or other applications where you're creating high volumes of dust. Of course, one of the great benefits of the Sustainer is the flexibility of the system. As the SYS-AIR is an air cleaner and a sustainer, you can place it anywhere within your stack, so that it's always at the right height to get the optimum dust capture. Here we have it arranged at the height of the MFT, so that escaping dust from this TSC55 track saw can be collected directly from the table. Even with the best on-tool dust extraction from Festool, whether sanding, sewing, grinding or routing on site, some excess fine dust will remain. With the SYS-AIR from Festool, you now have the most comprehensive solution, and it's good for your health. My name's Gordon, thanks for watching Festool TV.